fire signs, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be timeless. These two cards flipped out. We're going to see the way they came, okay? And I feel like they're reversed. Yeah, I sort of feel like. So we're going to start with your intuitive message first of all, and the message that is coming for you is, I literally saw like someone is crossing through long grass, okay? So those were long grass that was grown, and the way through that is difficult obviously, because you have to make way from that with something, or you need to clear that stuff out, okay? But what I saw from like top is like someone is making way, they're going ahead and moving ahead, okay? Overall, you know, surrounding, there is grass. Not the one you can sit on or enjoy or party or picnic, do the picnic, no. It was different. So I feel like for some cases, because this is connected with twin flame soulmates and connections, so connections can go for your work areas as well. I have this feeling of like, while you were crossing, you were actually pushing them away, kind of, because that was making sense, because you're pushing, you're moving, pushing and moving, and I could see the shadow of the grass as well. So there is something going at the back burner kind of energy that you might be dealing with right now, of dealing with certain situation. This may be connected with even land, property, businesses, okay, which is growing. It is also about something that is not required, and you have to clear that stuff up. So this may be certain kind of confusion. This may be something that is long grown or long kept or long being neglected or ignored, okay? That's why back burner as well. Again, this may be something connected with your work area or relationship matter as well. I feel like this should be done now, and you are making way from that, but it is again very difficult because it's like pokey. The grass is not soft. It is not being like it was never worked on that. I feel like this is kind of like a patch and you need to work on that, but I feel like no one is interested in working on that. So you people are trying to figure out way to, you know, something connected with demolish, like not exactly demolish. I feel like you are just trying to figure out a way to remove that, okay? Yeah. Something is puzzled here. This may be decision in the midst of certain kind of relationship or work, or, you know, work matters possible, deal possible, something that you're juggling with, your emotions that you're juggling with right now. This may be personal, professional front juggle, yeah, and it's very difficult how to prioritize. This may be certain deal that you need to fix on, like your thought and your mind and your heart too. And this may be again the deal connected with the professional matters of like whatever I said, like connected with property or sale or something like that. And if this is connected with that, yes, of course it is making things difficult here, okay? So prioritization is so important, like to come on some conclusion is important, which might be difficult for you right now. Again, this may be relationship related. You have 8 of Cups energy. Someone over here is trying very hard to stay away or detach, and which is difficult task, because you might look back again and again. You are making way through some difficult situation right now. Emotional, yes, especially with 8 of Cups energy, it is hard detachment, and you are trying to walk away from that. Whether you are male or female, energy doesn't matter that way, because this may apply. These are general vibes. But you are definitely making way. You're pushing those away, and that's why I could see that you're pushing it away. But the moment you're going to look back, it's going to be the same position. Then again, you have to make way. So you are confused, and you're juggling to come out of that patch of, you know, long grown grass. Oh, I'm sorry. You have karma. Something is definitely connected, and it is also connected with certain kind of call or a shadow season, okay? I'm going to say that. What's that? You have the wheel of the year. I feel like people been waiting for the next season, and now the next season is here, kind of energy, like I'm going to do it around the year, I'm going to complete it, I'm going to sell it, I'm going to visit, I'm going to complete this, and I'm going to, you know, come to certain kind of conclusion by this year, by the end of the year, by the next season. Someone might be giving you those hopes possible, or you are giving to someone hope of like this, I'm going to change this in this, you know, the next season, okay, we're going to do it in a bit. That kind of energy, and it's like being delayed. Something is being delayed with the wheel of the year reversed here. You people been trying on working on something to get it better, or whatever it is, emotions or love matter, or, you know, work related. business related, but it's getting delayed because something is not being approved here, I feel, whatever it is. So your energy is all about to work on that. Okay, you have the sources kind of energy, you have the conversation, you know it, what is growing, what is not growing, you know how it is giving you the benefit or not giving you the benefit, how it is draining your emotions. Yes, you all know that, but the problem here is that it is being delayed because the one who is involved with this is not getting agreed upon. So this is definitely connected with that concept of contracts, bonds, or relationship related. You have the second card is Two of Cups. Here you go, you have emotions. So but Two of Cups is again reversed. I feel like this card is giving me the vibe of delayed reunion. Yes, of course, but someone who is denying something or not agreeing upon something. This may be even meeting. This may be something, the love that was supposed to manifest in proper way, the reunion which was supposed to happen, or the union, or the closure, okay? Anything that is connected with this vibe is delayed, okay? So this is all about the long grown grass which someone is denying, ignoring, or is being long, that you people are not visiting to the problem, to the issue, or not coming to a certain conclusion. That is causing this whole scenario. Okay, someone might be telling you that I'm going to meet you in the next season, and it's not happening, delayed because of reasons here. The juggle, okay, someone might be very much busy and tangled, and they're unable to find out way from that patch. That's what I see. Like, it is, maybe they want, maybe you want, but the problems are here with the Two of Pentacles. There's a chaos. There's a chaos connected with personal, professional front, or other issues. There's a reason behind that, like when the time is, the next season or the next month, or something is getting delayed every now and then, and the desire to get along or to be with one another is getting like it's like a blueprint, but something is not working. Okay, want it? Yes, I want to spend time, but it's not happening, and there might be reasons here. Okay, not exactly everyone is going through betrayal. Sometimes this does happen, that we don't get time, or we are unable to figure out the way to reach the person here. That's what I say. Karmically, yes, you people are connected. Yes, some of you are connected with Queen of Swords, which is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Okay, some of you know that we are karmically connected. We have to talk this out, and we are just waiting for the time that the shadow season should go and all that, and then we are going to be back. We miss one another. Absence of emotions is causing so much of havoc here. That's what I see. So it's also about going through that patch again and again to check whether everything is okay, and the grass is growing. When are you going to be back? When? It's also about the long talks happening, that something is growing. This is causing distance between us. When are you going to be back? When are you coming? The kind of conversation I hear. Look, this is about family. The dreams that you saw with this person, or the dreams they saw with you. This may be the connected family of now having children. Now this situation is about, maybe some of you have agriculture business here, farming and all that stuff. Yes, it is possible. And this is something that you people might have shifted to the village area, which is about countryside. I think in western side is saying countryside. So that kind of energy where people need to figure out, and the causes of what is happening, why this is happening. Okay, something is growing that is definitely connected with the long grass. Having less time because of the hardship possible of some sort, or shifts possible, or someone who is away from home. This is about you being away from your partner, or someone is away from someone, in order to bring every pentacle in balance here, or things in balance, so that everything is happy at home. But the problem is emotional distance. The problem is we are unable to give time to one another. That shouldn't be the case, but it is happening here. Okay, someone is on the lookout to come back. They are trying to fix something there, so that everything will be fixed between you and the person. This is also someone who desires to connect with you. This is about preparations and looking forth. And this is about, if you're not married, they are you are in long-term relationships and long distance, then they are looking forward. They are having that future vision of being with you. Okay, someone is about to contact you even from the other side, which in this field, what I'm saying is not from the other realm. This is about, and the same realm, physical realm, they are trying to contact you from the other place, basically. So the distance that you people have, okay, it's kind of energy like I just remember the dinosaur movie. Okay, that is connected with the people are moving from the long grasses and then they are being attacked with the raptors, which is about tiny or big problem someone is going through, and they are unable to reach to that situation. That kind of like in symbolism. So it's about the hardships possible people are going through to come to the love, okay, of life, the decisions, the choices, the hardships. Someone who is deeply thinking here to contact you, I feel. I also see a mysterious contact that will be coming in the picture from your side to that, their side to you, okay? So in your present, you're going to plan, you're going to prepare for something to head towards. You're settling stuff here and you're missing that person. And I also feel like it is about that it's too late to be with the one or to contact the person, because when you're going to see it, you're going to see it direct, but when I'm seeing it, it's reversed. So if it happens to be you want this, right? So the energy is all about that you're looking forward to meet this person or to have this contact or to talk, but you know that this can be the denial, because of some reasons that happened here. You have 5 of Pentacles and you have Ace of Swords. You also have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but this is the vibe of also organizing certain stuff if it is just not about the sign. But you really want to organize some stuff with this person if it is not even Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, though it may be. You have 5 of Pentacles. You're looking forward to make amends possible with the past or the lost opportunity, but it's cold there. Okay, but you're searching for that one flower which might be possible, the hope that is connected with that area or zone or person. This may be again connect with certain thing, like connected where something is not growing. Okay, so the relationship or the area or some grass that you need to remove so that you can have the fertilized land, like something is possible. Is something possible there because you have Ace of Swords. You're looking forward to initiate something in an area which never been worked on, kind of. So this may be business, this may be area, this may be some something connected with the organization, with something is going in losses, or this may be land. Okay, is it worth kind of deals and all. Ace of Swords is also initiation, like a breakthrough. Okay, it is about communication, conversation, someone you really want to tell the truth that you hold in. This may be with an Aquarius specific also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Challenging note is coming here and your next flight is coming here. Some of you are visiting some cold place, and this is also giving me the vibe of, like, again, season changing, winters. Yes, they are coming, they are here, almost here. I mean, the extremes are yet to come, but still season is changing. Okay, so while the season will change, you're going to change the way you talk, or the way you're going to approach. This is also connected with certain kind of reading out the contracts and the bonds or the signatures, looking ahead, like. But this is also connection that you really want with the person possible. So you're looking for the flower that is still there or not. Should I walk through this? Because it's like, what should I do if I find raptors? Kind of energy. Okay, is it like possible to reunite with this person, or will they talk to me? Kind of energy is also coming. However, this can go vice versa. Now, this may be your own struggle of work, again, all that stuff. Let me see. I just want one card. What is that universe, and from the other realm, what is the message for you? What is the message from the spirit world? Okay. You see this one card though. I heard that you're about to talk with someone. Now you have Queen of Air, which is Air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. For some, this may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For some, this may be an Aquarius. I have this energy. You have independent, experienced, realistic, witty. And you have the message, objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in a situation. So you are about to take things in hand, like in approach in hand. You're going to try to make it work, and you're going to be light in this season, which might not be light. This is about being light with this specific person as well. This is about where your move is going to be, where you are heading, and this may be with a specific energy, as I said. So you're about to talk to someone, I feel, okay? Now this may be the sign, and it's going to be a really difficult task here, yes, but you have 8 of Fire, which is Wands energy. Events moving at a fast pace, delays are over, many things happening at once. Many things will be happening at once in your life, that is for sure. Whatever the deals are, whatever season is changing, of course, okay? So you're going to try everything in order to get to the point, moral of the story. There's going to be things happening, and with the 8 of Wands energy, it's like important talks, okay? I also feel like some talk, conversation will be heading towards. And you have Queen of Fire, you have you in the third last energy. Confident, warm, intelligent, and graceful. Stretch your wings and fly. Don't underestimate yourself. Assert your independence and creativity, which does come with 2 of Wands energy. Preparing yourself, okay? I hope this is going to help you. Take care. I love you. See you soon.